In this lesson, we'll learn the characters ta, chi, tsu, te, to. This character is ta. Ta. Which of these characters is ta? Ta. Keitai. Keitai. Taiko. Taiko. Shita. Shita. This character is chi. Chi. Which of these characters is chi? Chi. Chisai. Chisai. Ichigo. Ichigo. Kuchi. Kuchi. This character is tsu. Tsu. Which of these characters is tsu? Tsu. Atsui. Atsui. Kutsu. Kutsu. Tsuki. Tsuki. This character is te. Te. Which of these characters is te? Te. Tetsugaku. Tetsugaku. Tate. Tate. Kate. Kate. This character is to. To. Which of these characters is to? To. Soto. Soto. Oto. Oto. Tokei. Tokei. The small tsu character creates a double consonant called a sokuon in Japanese. Double consonants add a short pause before the consonant. Compare the following. Saka, sakka. The short pause that a double consonant creates is often referred to as a glottal stop. A glottal stop is created by abruptly closing your vocal tract. like in the expression, uh-oh. You may sometimes see a small tsu at the end of a vowel, word, or sentence, usually to express excitement or surprise. For example, a, wa. Gakkou, gakkou. Zasshi, zasshi. Kitte, kitte.